Hello there, I thought I'd do a review on the short stubby spray gun. I got this off of Amazon. I think it was about £38. It doesn't seem to be like branded of any sort, but it's really good. I work in quite tight spaces where it's sort of like townhouses where there's, the parking's really tight, so it's a lot easier to use. The only thing it didn't come with the quick release, which I had to put on, and I don't think it came with any nozzles. I just had these from a previous cheaper pressure washer, but they fit fine. And this one is the green nozzle seems to have quite a good spray pattern on it, but it's yeah, I've used it pretty much since I had it for about 6 months, and I've used it every day. I very rarely use the long lance anymore. What I'll do is I'll put up a short clip of the spray pattern now. And the other good thing is it connects to my snow foamer. Rather, I used to use the snow foamer on the long lance, which was a bit of a faff, but since getting this, it's a lot easier to use the snow foamer. It's a lot shorter, which I'll put up a clip of that now. Yeah, so overall it's yeah, really worth buying. Definitely makes my job a lot easier, for sure. And it's, as I say, it's not a branded one, but it's done quite well, hasn't broken, no issues with it, doesn't leak. It's had sort of 6 months of quite heavy use, and it was definitely, it's a little bit dirty, it's definitely well worth purchasing. So if you do car valeting and you're sort of working in tight spaces, I would definitely recommend getting one or similar. And so this was on Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll put the link up. I'm sure it's about £38 in total.